Chiefs looking for their first win in the tournament. The man from Tanzania gets a start here today and will have a first feel of what it's like to play in front of the Kaizer Chiefs. Scottland FC, of course, they will have Talbot Shumba between the sticks. Then Tijan and Yasulu will be the man in the heart of defense. What? Chislett, the first to get a touch of the action here this afternoon as Kaizer Chiefs attack the goal to the left of your picture. Well, for Scottland FC, they will attack the goal to the right of your picture. Set tugs wagging at the start of last campaign when they signed the likes of Kama Billiot and Alice Muswana. And, well, they haven't looked back from then. Scotland FC, of course, in the way. That's really put in a proper shift. No difference in getting things started here today. Chiefs look to get onto the front foot here. Numbers on the box ball and then took a slight deflection, which helped it into the part side. Vilagati, the man to play him through. It's got pace, plenty of it here. But arrive at Kaizer Chiefs after pre-season or late in pre-season last season. Early ball in here, no problems in dealing with it initially. With the initial touch, dropping back to assist defensively. There's Isaka. And looks a good ball, good movement, and in the end, Chiefs organized over the last 2 years. Would be a great way, of course, to start off the campaign and winning the Toyota Cup. As Plus plays through a lovely ball. Great pace to the far side. Now, decisions to be made, yeah. And Plus's vision here, absolutely spot on. Pins the perfect ball here for the pace of Munyani. That's the beating of his man. And looks to get the better of him, and flying in then was it's from the training grounds, and this couldn't make its way through the traffic. Naboya looking to explode onto the match here. Well, they waited and waited, and in the end, Vilagazi the inch perfect ball as the left side looks to come to life here. Velepai. Well, Velepai, it is still. Ooh, could have come for the pass, and I do believe you. Well, also another that'll be looking by time I get a channel. What's in the Moffat, Abubakar, Baba Romela, $1 billion pass. Arbone, Fella, Chiefs, Marcel Sakamaraho, Nikwile, Fitile, Chalo, Timothy Maricota, Kimaiteko, Akantele. The second tell Malata is a strong fitters troopers say Scotland. But I was a Jalo, Metameko, ya Champions League, the preferred Tama boys. By Taremo Bekenya, Tamba Basimola, Motameko, 1 Kawalika, Arbona Kileta Nakoti. Winner! Abuna Noyan Kaya, Era Pudela Loto, Arawata Ologa Shumba. Arawata Ologa Shumba. Amakopota Moperimo was Mino Waswana Shumba Ratsiga. Abai Yawa Kamiwa Pilewan Kaizer Chiefs. Ended with a 3-2 scoreline and got on Pila scoring that unbelievable goal. Now, here is Velepai driving forward, yeah. Velepai, it is. Shakes it up. Chislett couldn't quite take it in stride. Velepai couldn't quite wrap his foot around to impact this season. Hard running, full of ideas, causing problems. Talking about problems. Oh, what a challenge. At some costs for Grass. It's time in Machope. He stands at 190, but my, can he move? It just wasn't decisive enough for these touches, allowing Klaus to come in with the all-important challenge here on the 35-year-olds. Now, could be something on here for Scotland FC. There's the Namibian looking for a yard to unleash the shot in the end. It just wasn't afforded that by Kaizer Chiefs. But remember. Yeah, Flavio Aitola, Fela Yabisi, Fela Banaba 2 million Chiefs, Fela Banaba Connego Batuba,
me ada boleh pilih baru masuk abai tlogela ka go ba itsese le pa ba le bantsi go ntse fela jalo ba totobatsa Nelson Chadia me le kawana ela Isaka le ne utswile pele ba go isimolla kwa morago go isimolwa jalo ke Nelson Chadia lebeletse no morago tsoma supele motlhano kwakwetala le no tsene yo o tshamekela njalo mo tseleng ga Kevin Moyo bone Moyo ba batsa khela ba isimolla jalo kwa morago Chiefs mo Brendan Peterson ba la tlhakwele Scotland ya go tswa jalo ka stopper sa Kaizer Chiefs a bone Etiosa Tabiso oba mfundo Vilagazi obrigado abaruka wan Carbone batadiran Chiefs ela ba khana bala tola kwa morago materganya ba ka jalo potso ka tale Kaizer Chiefs Adibone Scotland kabaganze jalo mona gare romela kwa pele romela motwala obrigado obata jalo igodaro baba toka ide Chiefs alore batadira Chiefs tsaka ba sala retene mona sirela tsabaka tsikuka ona bata jalo Ethan tsoko pankenga Jacob ona Ethan Chisleta go tsosa khilio walbela Ethan abarumela khileng Carbone ba yatarla kwa morago le ka wana la Nelson Chadia stopasa Asante Kotoko me una fosa penalty mona kunya rula ka ditso mo tsameko me go tagonya di penalty abo fosa jalo penalty nashio ele tumelo ya boraro ye ya metshameko ye ya sejana sa Toyota o ta go bola gore metshameko ya ntla tshameka tsalo ka kwa Bloemfontein a bone Etiosa fela ba itsigelo tsoko morago tswa jalo ka Kakwe Chiefs ba rola motho mo tserega ngare a remelelanga tswela pele ka motsameko o balaela jalo gore ba tswela pele ka motsameko bone Scotland ba itsamekela jalo mo tseleng ya Kakwe yo bona Walter Msona